Good morning, students. Welcome to Science Online Learning. Students, I hope you all are safe at home. Dear students, today we shall discuss about the difference between living things and non-living things. Okay, students, living things differ from non-living things in many ways. Okay, now living things move. Living things move. The movement of living things shows that they are alive. Okay, birds and some insects, they fly. Dogs and cats, they walk. Fish swim. Okay, students, in such a way living things move. Birds fly. Just you see the image. Birds, they fly. Some insects also fly. Dogs and cats, they walk. Okay, dogs and cats, they walk. Already told you, dogs, they walk. See the image. Okay, means living things, they move. Fish swim. Fish swim. Okay, by swimming, they move by swimming. Animals move because they have life. Right? Students, when touched, plants like the touch me not, means mimosa plant, show slow movement. Okay, when touched, mimosa plant, means touch me not plant, show slow movement. Just you see the image. Okay, when touched, they show a slow movement. Students, the sunflower turns towards the sun. Sunflower turns towards the sun. Okay, it means plants also move. Plants also move. Okay. Students, does a table move by itself? Yes, no, right? The table does not move. We have to move it, right? Table is non-living things, so it cannot move. We have to move it. Therefore, we can say that only living things move on their own. Okay? Is it clear, students? Now, living things need food. Next difference between living things and non-living things, that living things need food. Okay, living things need food and water. Students, you need food to live because food helps us to grow. Food helps us to grow. Animals get food. Animals, they get their food from plants or other animals. Okay, animals get their food from plants or other animals. Okay, students, most plants, they make their own food with the help of water, air and sunlight. Okay, animals, they get food from plants or other animals. But plants, they make their own food with the help of air, water and sunlight. Just you see the image, students. In the presence of sunlight, plants make their own food using air, water. Okay? In the presence of sunlight, plants make its food with the help of air and water. Just you see the image. Okay? Just you see the image, students. Plants, they make their own food using air, water. Air and water. Okay? Understood now? Now, students, living things grow. Living things can grow. Okay? Next, difference between living things and non-living things is living things can grow. Students, living things grow. Here, a kitten grows into a cat. A kitten grows into a cat. Okay? Now, a human baby grows into an adult. Okay? This is the image to show you that a human baby grows into an adult. Students, a plant grows into a tree. Okay? A plant grows into a tree. They grow and change. All living things grow. Okay, students? Living things grow and change. Okay? And this means all living things can grow. Student, can a small computer grow into a big computer? No. Can a small doll grow into a big doll? No. Means they cannot. Means non-living things cannot grow. Things like computers and dolls do not grow. Means they are non-living things. Okay? Only living things can grow. Okay, students? Then that's all for today. Learn the lesson part nicely and learn it. Okay, students? Thank you.